Adele.
My name's Adele.
My name's Ivy.
And what are we doing today, Ivy?
We're holding some of all of these animals.
That's right. Who are we going to meet first? Who's in this one?
I don't know.
Turn and see.
Yeah. Chili.
And what's Chili?
A green tree python.
That's right. Do you want to get her out? Ah. Wow. What colour is she?
Green. And she's a green tree python.
And where does she live?
And this box.
But where do you find them in the wild? Do we find them in the trees?
Yeah.
So this is Chili. She is our green tree python. They're native to the Iron Range National Park. Do you know where that is? 30 hours north from here, where we live. Really far northern Australia. Should we put her away and see something else now?
Yeah.
Alright. That's it. Perfect. Now shut the lid.
Very much.
Oh, you were very brave on Chili. Now what's in the next one?
I know. Have a look.
Chomper. That is Chomper. Alright. Watch your fingies.
When something swims past here, they don't have to look. And they can feel when something swims past.
That's right, because they have all senses over their body, don't they?
Yeah.
So are we going to show everyone how we pat a crocodile?
Yeah.
How do we pat a crocodile?
We put it like this.
Nice and gently, don't we?
Yeah, never push them.
We don't. And we never touch the head, do we?
No.
Because why?
Oh, no. Bite us.
They'll bite us. Because they got strong teeth.
Can we put it like that?
We can put it back.
We gotta shut the lid so it doesn't escape.
That's right. Ready? Count us in.
1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Hey! Oh, that's scary.
A little bit scary.
Yeah.
But she's very friendly. She won't hurt you. Wow. What does she feel like?
You feel the little bumpy.
Little bumpy?
Yeah. With bumpy stuff on it.
It's okay. I've got her over here. Maybe rats and mice.
Yeah. Ah!
She's coming to say hello. If you put your hand out like this, she likes to slither on your hand. Ready? Pop your hand under her chin. There you go.
Can we get her to slither on the floor?
We're gonna put her on the floor. How about we put her across here, like on the table?
Yeah.
Alright, well if I lift her up, can you shut the box for me?
Yeah.
Shut the box. All the way.
Shutting the box really quiet so I don't scare her.
That's really good. Alright, let's stretch her out.
She was about to get stuck.
Wow, look how long she is. Oh, she's so soft. So did you know that a snake's scales are made up out of the same stuff as our hair and our fingernails? It's called keratin.
Yeah.
Can you say keratin?
And if they want to shave their stuff off, they can just get new skin.
They can shed their skin, can't they?
Yeah. To get new skin.
That's right.
Oh, it's coming into me. To sniff me out too.
She likes you.
Yeah.
Holding on, holding on. This girl's really good at climbing, so she holds on to everything, doesn't she? Alright, do you want to shut the box?
Yes.
Nice and gentle. Nice and slowly, that's it. That's it.
Because they actually curl up like that.
They do curl up like that. Good job. Good work. High five. Oh, that wasn't very good. Alright, lucky last. Who do you reckon's in this one?
Don't know. Let's have a look.
Let's shuffle them around, shall we? There we go.
I'm just going to just a little bit.
Okay. I think that's good.
The word is in this one, but we don't know what her name is yet.
We don't.
It's the bearded dragon.
It is and the
Blue tongue lizard.
blue tongue lizard. Show me your tongue. Is my tongue blue?
Nice. Hold on.
And I'll get the blue tongue lizard out. And we can shut the lid. Should we shut the lid? Watch his little head.
What? His tail's so long.
It is so long.
They're best friends.
They are best friends. That's why they stay in the box together. So this is Echo and this is Charlie.
Ah! Hey! Get off me! I'm trying to put you with Charlie. That doesn't have a short tail.
You don't really have a short tail.
If he is in real trouble, he can wax someone.
Yeah, and you know what else he can do with his tail? He can actually drop his tail off. And then he can regrow it. So if something grabbed onto his tail, he can drop it off, and then he can run away and hide in a bush, and then he can regrow his tail back.
Oh.
Isn't that cool? Yeah.
But this one doesn't.
No.
But if this one's in real trouble, he can wax someone with it.
Pretty long and strong, isn't it? And you know what else he can do? Run really fast.
Yeah.
And why do you think he has sharp claws?
Fix that.
Yeah, and to dig and to climb. He's going to use his claws to climb up on trees and scratch in the dirt. And do you know what they like to eat? No?
Mice.
Maybe, little ones, but mostly bugs and grubs and cockroaches. Do you like to eat cockroaches? Yeah, he loves to eat cockroaches. Alright, should we put them away?
Yeah.
Got him?
I got you. Don't walk me. I'm not gonna walk you.
That's alright.
He's gonna get off my hand and walk me.
He's scratchy, isn't he?
He gets trouble. Don't escape.
Don't escape, Echo. Alrighty guys, well that is all of our animals that we have to show you today. A few snakes, lizards, and even a crocodile. So we hope you enjoyed our video today, and we'll catch you around soon. Bye!